All right, we're bringing out the Mini 2 for its first flight out here at OWC. I got my iPad out here with me, so we're gonna use the iPad instead of the phone. So we'll see how it goes. I think my roommate Nick is actually out there riding. It's a little bit chilly right now, and he's out there in a t-shirt and board shorts. So we'll see how long we go before the sun goes down. But yeah, hopefully this turns out good. It seems like it's a little bit windy out. I think it's like 10, 12 mile an hour. So we might just fly above the cable for now and see how this goes. Because yeah, it's not too busy right now, but it is a little bit windier than I was hoping. And the Mini 2 is very small and lightweight. They say it has higher wind resistance, but we'll see. Alright, I think this is literally the first time I've used the DJI Fly app on my iPad because it's giving me this little video here. Kind of cool. And I got my nice long USB-C cord around here, so this looks like fun. But let's get it started. Alright, sticks in. Let's go. So it's not bad for wakeboarding right now. I feel like I'm pushing like almost full throttle to keep up with it. So this is in normal mode. I think normal mode's max speed is probably around 22, 24 miles an hour. Not too sure exactly. Like I said, it's a little bit windy. But the one thing I'm not really too stoked on is every single time I start recording a video, watch what happens. Start. Stop. If you notice, it cuts out the video feed for maybe like half a second. And while you're shooting wakeboarding, that can be a little bit scary, that half a second. If you're right up close behind somebody, you know, anything can happen in half a second. But it's not too bad. But yeah, that's my only complaint right now. First couple laps with it went pretty good. But yeah, it's sun's going down. Nice sunset, but yeah, maybe get another lap or two in with Nick and we'll see how it goes. Alright, so the iPhone weather app says it's 9 mile an hour winds right now, but it's cold and a little chilly. I don't know if it's more than that, but it seems to be doing okay, making its laps around the cable pretty good. But yeah, let me know what you guys think of this video. What do you think about the Mini 2 and wakeboarding and Nick's riding? Alright, see you guys in the next video. Peace.